Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Toyota Tundra versus Dodge Ram. We'll explore how these two popular full-size pickup trucks stack up against each other. Both the Tundra and the Ram 1500 are known for their rugged capability and comfortable rides, making them top contenders in a competitive market. We'll dive into their performance, interior features, and overall value to help you decide which truck best fits your needs. When it comes to raw power, both trucks deliver. The Toyota Tundra's standard iForce V6 engine provides up to 389 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. For even more muscle, its available iForce MAX hybrid powertrain boosts output to 437 horsepower. The Ram 1500, with its available high-output Hurricane engine, can reach an impressive 540 horsepower and 521 pound-feet of torque. The Tundra leads in maximum towing at 12,000 pounds, while the Ram 1500 can tow up to 11,550 pounds. Step inside, and you'll find both trucks offer impressive cabins. The Toyota Tundra features an available 14-inch multimedia touchscreen and a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, keeping essential information clear. The Ram 1500 counters with an available 14.5-inch touchscreen and an optional 10.25-inch passenger display, offering extensive digital real estate. Both trucks provide luxurious touches like available heated, ventilated, and even massaging front seats, ensuring a comfortable ride on long journeys or tough workdays. Considering long-term ownership, the Toyota Tundra typically boasts a stronger resale value, retaining more of its original price over 5 years. The Ram 1500, however, consistently receives excellent quality and reliability ratings from organizations like J.D. Power, indicating a dependable ownership experience. Both trucks are built to last, but their value propositions differ slightly. Before you go, remember to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.